SEM. Structural cohesion or we call that SEM. In structural equation modeling, we have two. We have covariance. SEM or CV. Okay, so CV SEM, we have SEM, structural equation modeling. We have covariance based structural equation modeling. And then we have partial least squares structural equation modeling. Okay, now, if ang inyong group okay ang previous na itong requirements, which is the factor analysis, exploratory factor analysis. If okay ang exploratory factor analysis, then you go for CDSM. No? If not, if EFA, if EFA do not have good factor loadings and model fit measures, then is not good. Then you go for partial square structural equation modeling. No? So what is good in this? What is good in Smart PLS software is that you already have the CVSM and you will have the PLSM. No? So CVSM and PLSM were all found in what we call this, in Smart PLS 4. No? So this time I will choose one. I don't have enough time, much more time. But let's start with partially square structural equation modeling. No? Maybe next meeting we will have the covariance based structural equation modeling. So when I said okay, of this time I want everyone to go for partially square structural equation modeling. First test na nato, natanaw na to ang results. Okay? And then I will decide based on your worksheet number problem unsa to. Manuscript.
Draft.
On draft 2, nauna po,